Sengi OINA Center na THADHARAKKHIBA Senpham Lupa Crore Lising Henbagi Senpham Senja Thumja Toure Haina Lok Shaba MP Bimol AKOIJAM na Phongdokkhre Wafam asing All India Congress Committee ki New Delhi da leiba headquarter da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Phongdokkhibani Mahak na makata na haikibada Parliament mahak na Jal Jeevan Mission gi matang da hangba wahangi pirakiba paukum gi matung inna Manipur da JJM gi makada kumja lisingani taramapan gi August gina kumja lisingani kunmangagi July fawbada toti sing yumthong lak ahumga lising Yankai mapan gi Lupa Crore Lising amaga Jani Hena Sajinaduna ising Pikre Harry Adubu Magna Tongan Mamafam Singda Chatuna Ying Silubadadi ising Phanghankre Haiduna Maming Mata Yaurabasu Yumthong Lising Kaya Toti ising Samlandaba Thingnaraki Harry Magna Haktek Nana Kungang Singda Chatuna Yumthong Changduna Toti ising Phangbada Nakoigi Ming Yaure Haiba wafam thamlubada yumbu sing angak papoki haiba wafam su thamki hiramasigi matangda mahakna chumba khangdoknaba case amasu file Toure Hari.
This is the total amount is from utilization report by the minister on the floor of the house. What he answered is 1078.82 crores from the union government side, reported utilization. From the state government, it is 124.03 crores. So if you add the two, it's 1,202 crores. It's a huge money, and not a single, those villages were shocked when I said that you have the name here from the official website, you're one of the beneficiaries, and they were shocked. It's not that one house or two houses are left out, it's not the entire village, panchayat, the covered by it. So it's not one village, it's village after village. And the minister has answered me on the floor of the house that this has been connected. Functional tap water has been provided to this household number. This is unprecedented in that sense. It's not that you are left out one or two household or one or two village. It's not like that. So it's a massive scam. So I have moved the High Court to have investigation on this, to order an investigation and court monitor, because I don't trust these government departments. They must be monitored by the court. So this is a case we have filed in the Manipur High Court.